What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find all the pages you have liked on Facebook. It's really very simple. The first thing you need to do is go on your Facebook profile page. You can do that by clicking on your profile picture here or on the top right corner here. So go on your Facebook profile page. From here click more and under more scroll down and you will find likes. Click on likes. And here you will find all the pages you have liked so far. You can find different films pages, different TV programs pages, pages of artists, books, sports teams, sports people, etc. So you can find all the pages from here, and if you'd like to remove any of the page or unlike any of the page, just hover your mouse on it and from here just click liked and the page will be unliked. So I hope guys you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Bye bye.